What's up, bad bitches of the world? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Natalie and I will be your host for today's video. And today we are going to be unboxing my Sephora Play for the month of November 2018. I can't believe the year's almost over. It's bizarre. But Sephora Play is a beauty subscription box, $10 a month, probably my favorite beauty subscription box. So if you would like to see the products that I got for the month of November, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell right there. You can ring my bell. Ring my bell. I know I can't sing. I apologize for that. That was rough. But let's get in to the unboxing. They have been coming in these like bougie Ziploc bags, which I don't mind. And then it has a little saying on the back. This month's theme is the Holiday Survival Pocket Guide. So let's get into the products. So the first product is this Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. So if you have not heard of this product before, you're probably living under a rock, and then I doubt you would have access to a phone or anything with YouTube. So I'm sure you've heard of it. And then she recently came out with the illuminating version, the translucent glow powder, which I love. This powder I have used a few times before. I like it, but it can be too drying for me. I am so dry. I don't know why I like the glow one, but not the regular one. It's not that I don't like it. I think it's a fine setting powder. I just have other ones that aren't as dry on my skin. So, but if you have not tried this, this is definitely, like, especially if you're oily, this will be a great powder. Next product is this Philosophy Purity Made Simple Cleanser. Now, I have been using this product for years, have repurchased it numerous times, love this product, I have not been able to find anything comparable to this. This is everything. I will take as many purities as you would like to send me. So it says it is an effective one-stop cleanser that tones and lightly hydrates skin. So this does an okay job at removing makeup, but that's not how I use it. I'll use like a makeup removing balm first to get rid of all the heavy makeup, and then I will go in with the Purity face wash and just remove any excess oil or makeup that is left behind, and it just leaves your skin feeling so plump and hydrated without drying it. Alright. Next is this Moroccan Oil Protect and Prevent Spray. And it says it's a leave-in conditioner that prevents color fading and brassiness. Huh. I will always take a leave-in conditioner, especially in a spray bottle. I have tried Moroccan Oil products before and I like them, so I am looking forward to trying this. Moving right along, we have the Grande Cosmetics Hydra Plump Semi-Matte Liquid Lipstick in Smoked Sherry. And on the other side, it says like 97% said it was comfortable to wear, 94% said lips look naturally fuller. So I didn't even know they came out with a liquid lipstick in a red mauve shade with a semi-matte finish. This long wear creamy liquid lipstick visibly plumps and hydrates skin with Volulip, Insta Plump, and hyaluronic acid, making it the gift that keeps on giving. Oh, here is the applicator. Well, this swatcher. That's pretty. Last product besides the bonus is this Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. So a vegan gel moisturizer that cools and refreshes parched skin. Ooh, it does look very hydrating. This electrolyte packed gel quickly absorbs into the skin for a dewy, revived complexion. Ooh, it is really nice. Tarte can have some really good skincare. I used to be obsessed with like the Marijuka like neck cream. And my bonus is Tory Burch Just Like Heaven. Oh, I love Tory Burch perfumes. You guys don't even know. Okay. This floral citrus mix is a vivid scent composed of pure ingredients like rhubarb, mandarin, hyacinth flower, and ylang ylang. It's Y and then L-A-N-G. Like, I'm not gonna try it again. Let me. You guys, listen to this. I can't even make this stuff up. Alright. Middle notes, heliotrope. Base notes, tonka bean absolute. Alright. See how it smells. It's alright. There's something that's just like throwing me off. Maybe it's the yang yang. Lang lang, I don't know. I like most Tory Burch perfumes. Okay, well that was my Sephora play for the month of November. And overall, I am pleased. Alright guys, well let me know what you got in your play box. That sounded really weird. Let me know what's in your play box. Some sand, some toy. Just kidding. Let me know what you got this month if you do get a Play by Sephora subscription. That's a better way of saying it. And if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.
And Lawn Torcer with a bancer. I impress her over a bancer. You would take a sir, she's a fan, sir. Can't keep her man off my Instagram, sir. New slaves, but I'm still the master. I'm whipping foreigns to make them go faster. Pretty gangster, said she was better than me, what a prankster. He said you bad, Nikki, I said thanks, sir. Staying some Fresh Prince, Ashley Banks, sir. Call me A.I., sir, I'm the answer. I'm on in play, sir, I advance, sir.